And you are supposed, this is the graph of f of x. Gotta remember what the numbers are. So I know I have a point at -1, 0. 5, 0.
2, 1, and 5, 0.
2, 1, and 5, 0. I have a point at 2, 1. This is number 10. So I have a point at 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. And I have a point over here at 5, 0. So I have a graph that looks vaguely like this. Is the thing. And I'm told this is the graph of f of x. I want to find the graph of f of 6x.
I think it's 4.
Well, it depends on who you are.
It's different.
Mine is
Oh.
6.
Gotcha.
But it's going to be done the same way. What does 6 inside those parentheses do to my graph? It shrinks it horizontally, yes? So that means I'm going to have to get this whole graph into 1/6 the space. So that means, but is it going to change anything up and down? So that means my 0, my 1, and my 0 are going to stay the same. But this -1 is going to end up where? -1/6. I'm going to multiply my -1. So to get the new thing, I'm going to take my -1, multiply it by 1/6, then get -1/6. So that's where this point is going to go. That's about right here. So I'll have -1/6 at 0 as one of my new points. And then what would I do to this point? It would be 2/6.
Should be 3.
Which is about right there. And then where's this one going to go?
Is it 6?
5, 6, which is about right there. And so my new whole graph is going to be about that big. So it squishes it all. The only thing that changes is not the y coordinates, but the x coordinates, and you multiply each one of them by 1/6 to shrink. That's what we're looking for. Shrink it by a factor of 1/6. Okay? Yeah.